What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aki Vlogs and after a long time I have something loud, obnoxious and crazy for you guys. Obviously you guys saw it on the thumbnail of the video. It's the Daytona 675R, baby. Alright, Daytona baby, let's go, daddy's home, daddy's home. Alright, first impressions, obviously the bike is super huge while compared to any of the other bikes, just like you would expect. So it's DV's new bike, as you guys already know. I don't have to tell you guys. So let's head out. Highway runs, baby, highway runs. This thing makes me breathless, baby. Breathless. Absolutely crazy. But I'm not able to talk a lot because I gotta focus on the road. All my senses are wide open. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. The bike is super loud. Okay. Yeah. Make way for Daytona. I'm too light for this bike, man, trust me. See, that's 200. insane. So what Deepu told me is that I should be only controlling the bike on the front. Beautifully. That's 200. That's 200 for you guys. All right. This is nothing like any small puppy. Woo! That thing stressed me out a little bit. Christ! Hi Ram! Woo! Deepu is definitely worried that I'm riding fast. That's the quick shifter for you guys. Alright, look at these crazy people, man, on the road. They don't give a shit what bike comes on the road. I'm not even using the clutch after 4000 RPM. That's how the quick shifter is used. Okay, let's do a stretch over here. Here we go, baby. Too much traffic on the road, but you guys already know it's crazy Aki riding. Beautiful stretch. I rest my case. Alright guys, that's about it. This inline 3 puppy, Jesus, what an amazing beautiful bike guys. I love it. I hope you guys loved it too. Make sure you guys hit like, share, subscribe. Also subscribe to DV's channel. He my freaking boy. Alright, so I'll see you guys in another vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This inline 3, bloody good. Deepu, take care bro. You got a family to take care of. I'm a charge. Any single ladies out there, slide into the DMs.